All everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as assistant professor at Department of Physics, GMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss MSc second semester 3, that is course of laser. Now last lecture we have discussed module 3. In module 3 we have discussed type of the laser. Now we will discuss module 4, that is application of the laser. Module 4. There are some application of the laser, that is industrial, medical, military application and scientific application. First will be the introduction. Laser radiation were used in various applications immediately after first ruby laser was designed and constructed by Manman in 1960. As early in 1961, its radiation were used to treat eyes and skin diseases. Now it is used in medicine, astronomy, meteorology, chemistry, biology, holography, power engineering, in various process in engineering, as well as in communication technology, automation and remote control, in military technique, art restoration, etc. Now first we will discuss industrial application. In industrial application there are cutting, drilling and welding techniques are used. Now first we will discuss cutting techniques. This will be the systematic layout of carbon dioxide gas laser cutting. Carbon dioxide gas laser is continuous wave laser. Because of that, it is extensively used for cutting a wide range material such as graphite, tungsten, carbide, all metallic foil, ceramic, paper, wood, cloth, glass, steel and ferrite. In most cases, continuous cutting is carried out with assist gas like oxygen, carbon dioxide or air, which produce both mechanical and chemical action, identifying the thermal effect. This gas assisted cutting is application to the metal of thickness up to 5 mm with cut width down 30 micrometer. The most prominent field of laser cutting is the cutting of steel is small thickness such as several millimeter and also non-metallic material. Use of laser cutter in the garment industry is very useful application of the laser. With the aid of computer, laser can be cut clothing many times faster than old technique that is used by tailor. The laser system also consists of computer program with cutting industry and pattern for various garment. The cutting process essential consists of removing material. Laser cutting is done with assistance of air, oxygen or dry nitrogen gas jet. The role of the jet is to cool the surface of material and blow away the cutting zone. The advantage of laser cutting is that fine and precision. It introduces a minimum mechanical distortion and thermal shock in the material being cut. Now this will be the techniques of cutting. Now second will be the welding. This will be the welding technique diagram. Welding of workpiece is based on the principle of two metal are placed in contact and heated by the laser beam until material melt and fuse together from the weld. The laser beam is allowed to fall on the reflecting mirror. The focusing lens is used to focus the laser beam on the required area of the workpiece, that is this area of the workpiece. Depend upon the nature of welding, that is spot and continuous pulse or continuous laser is used. Normally, welding of the metal is carried out in the presence of shielding gas such as argon or helium, which is used to cover weld area and eliminate oxidation. Otherwise, poor welding will be take place. Now, this will be the techniques of welding. Now third technique, drilling. This will be the typical hole drill in Ruby disks. Laser drilling is non-contact process and does not require a physical drill bit. Laser drilling of metal is based on the phase heating phenomena. The absorbed intensity is transformed into heat within the penetration depth of the laser radiation. The illuminated spot on the surface reach boiling temperature and material removal start due to the process of vaporization and melt explosion. Laser enabled drill is demand die in few minutes as against 20 hours taken by the conventional method. There is no wastage in the process and the saving term of the cost of diamond dust help in recovering the financial outlay on such drilling system. Laser light energy is primarily application affecting micro opening in rubies and diamonds. Without heating the entire, now it is possible to drill Philomena canal in refractory material. Laser drill of hole in diamond of 2 to 3 minutes as against 2 to 3 days taken by conventional drill. A laser installation in Russian drill hole with diameter and depth 0.005 to 0.8 mm and depth from 1 to 3 mm respectively in diamond of size and shapes. The pulse point about laser drilling is that it does not causes any damage to the diamond or any other process material. For laser drilling, usually pulse carbon dioxide, NdYAG and laser is used. Special operation like drilling of hole without diameter less than 0.5 mm using conventional technique is difficult. However, the pulse laser micro drilling is quite process for such operation both for metal non-metals. The NdYAG laser emits at 1.06 micrometer. The superior performance of laser is due to short wavelength and continuous sparking of its output. Carbon dioxide laser is equally suitable for drilling in metallic and non-metallic material. Lasers are routinely used in drilling in ceramic material. Now this will be the techniques of drilling. Now in this lecture we have discussed industrial application, that is cutting, drilling and welding technique. Thank you so much.